Yeah, my dear students, good evening for all of you. Am I audible? Can you please confirm? All of you. Yes. So let us, last class, we completed what we discussed in the last class, guys. Yes, everybody must confirm it. What we completed in the last class? Modules. We completed the case study. We had a discussion about the case study part. Okay. Now we are supposed to enter into the extension to the modules. Extension to the modules. Now we are entering into the packages. Right? Packages. In Python. Packages in Python we are going to discuss. This is very simple. Even in 1.5 hours, you can understand what is the package meaning is. There is no programming in packages. Only some setups are there. Only some setups are there. Only one simple line is there for the packages. 2 or 3 lines of code will be there in the packages. That's why in every batch, packages will take very less time to discuss the concept. So, as we discussed already, which I told you in the class already, we had a discussion about what functions. We had a discussion later about the modules. We had a discussion about what modules. And later we have a discussion about what functions this is. Functions this is. And later we had a discussion about modules. Later we have a discussion about modules. Later we have a discussion. Now we are going to discuss the concept called what? Packages. And you be careful, ma. There is a chance of getting confused. So the point is called what? Packages. Packages is going to be dealt with the modules, and the modules dealt with what you know. Modules dealt with what you know. This type of things. So be careful. So we already had a beautiful discussion about what? Functions very well. And we almost discussed around 12 days of that. And the modules, almost 3 days we discussed it. And extension of this entire thing is going to be called as what? The packages. Ultimately, there is a work with the functions only. Packages is very simple. It will take 1 day. It will take 1 day. In today's class, I'm going to talk about what? Packages. And there is no programming at all. Only 2 to 3 lines of code will be there. It is going to complete that. Okay, right. Let me go for the discussion about entering into the packages. Right, ma. Varaprasad. Let me complete today's class, ma. I will tell you at the end of the day. Okay, right. So, fine. Yes, ma. Full stack data science. We are teaching. I am teaching in this batch. I am teaching to you Python module first here. First, we are teaching Python module. Okay. So after completion of Python module, we will think about the further discussion. Further, how we go about it, we will discuss this. And we will integrate data science. Right? Fine. So let me complete the first Python programming. Later we will go for the other things. Okay, Varaprasad? Shall I move forward? Come on, everybody. Fine. So let us coming to the packages. Why do you use functions, my dear students? Can you tell me? Why do you use functions? Why do you use functions? To perform certain operation and provides code reusability within the program. Within the program, I said. To perform code reusability within the same program. And unable to provide the code reusability across the programs. Unable to provide the code reusability across the programs. Okay. To reuse the code across the reusability, To reuse the code across the programs, I must go for the concept of what? Modules. Then, okay, sir, modules are doing everything very nicely, perfectly doing nothing difficult about it. Then why this packages all of a sudden is required? So listen very carefully. First 1 hour I will talk about the concept of it. Next, first half an hour I will talk about the concept. Next 1.5 hour I will go for what? Next 1.5 hour I will go for what? Program part of it. And nothing is there. Everything is modules only. Only some configuration is there. That's it. Other than that, nothing is there. Let me write it. We know that. Let me add some concept here. We know that functions concept, whatever you know, I am just writing here. Functions concept is used for, I am writing here, is used for performing certain operation, and provides what? Code reusability. Provides what? Code reusability. Provides what? Code reusability. Very, very simple. We know that functions concept is used for performing certain operations and provides code reusability. Within the same program, within the same program. Okay. And functions concept, but functions concept and I can write and functions concept unable to provide code reusability across the programs. Code reusability across the programs. Across the programs unable to provide. Unable to provide the code reusability across the programs. We know that functions concept is used for performing certain operations and provides the code reusability within the same program. Whereas functions concept unable to provide the code reusability across the programs. Good. Now later, the modules concept used for modules concept, already we are aware of it, is used for performing what? Used for providing code reusability. Look at providing code reusability across the programs. Providing the code reusability. Provide code reusability across the programs. Okay, that time that word is okay. Provided, see my words you remember. Provided the module name and the main program. Module name and main program must present in same folder. Yes, same folder. Or in same drive. Same folder. Must present in the same folder. This is a very, very, very important. Module name and then main program must present in the same folder. Best example is, you see my dear students, if you look at the last session, if you remember, you see modules concept here. Case study you see AOP, menu and AOP demo. All of them are present in the same folder, case 1. All of them are present in the case 1. This is a main program. AOP demo is called C. I will open it, open my dear students. See my main program. It is present in where? Same folder. Present in same folder. See case 1, same folder. All of a sudden, I will take it, copy this and put it into D colon, KVR PY. Just try to remove this area, remove these things and try to paste it. KVR PY in D colon KVR PY. In where it is available? In other drive. In other drive it is available. Let us go once. Let us go once. Yes, so you look at D colon KVR PY is folder name. In that dir, you see AOP demo program is there. You try to run it. PY AOP demo. You will get error. AOP demo .py. .py. You will get error. Module. What is that module? AOP module. Menu module. AOP. First it will get an error. Sys module you will not get an error. Why? Sys is reusable anywhere. Today I am making like sys used anywhere. Like AOP I want to use everywhere. Everywhere I want to use this AOP like a sys. So AOP you will get an error. Module not found error you will get it. See my dear student, enter key. See you are getting an error here. What is that error? Import error you are getting. Import error. Cannot import name EXPOP from AOP. It was present in some place. You cannot import from this place. You cannot import. AOP error. Import error is coming. Are you able to understand? Are you able to be used? Spelling mistakes and all you check it more. Then only you are getting error. Spelling mistakes. Please check the mistakes. So this was giving an error. Suppose you go to other folder, other place, which is that G colon KVR Python 6 p.m. and say modules there. Case study 1. Now you execute. Py. What is that? AOP demo.py. You see it is getting executed. 1. So 2 and 3. You got the output like this. Okay, see in different folders, in this place it is unable to execute, but it is present in same mission. See, it is present into D colon. Unable to execute. It is present into this place, same folder. Module is present in the same place. Main program also present in the same place. This is present in different folder, not able to execute. Okay, this may present in C folder, C drive also, D drive also, everywhere else. Even I want to execute in Python place. I want to execute in this place also. I want to execute in different place. In this place, I want to use AOP. I want to use import AOP. So you see, import AOP. Of course, I have some type of settings I did. So those settings I will remove and I will use it. Okay. For a minute, if you allow me, I'll just go for this. So let us go to that place. So after a few minutes, I'll go for this place. So settings, I'll go to the system. Then there is an environmental variable. After a few minutes, I will tell you, ma'am. Just for a minute, you give me the time. I will just go for. Now you go for it. Because in previous batch when I taught, that was the scenario. Go to the place. Now Python you go. Now try to say import AOP you say. Now you got it because I have some type of modules already. Okay. Now you go to one more place. Python 3.10 you go there. Import AOP you say, it is also coming because we have some type of modules already in my system. How it is done, how to make it, I am going to give you that clarity here. Shall we move forward? How to make it to be available everywhere else? I am going to enter into the further discussion. Yes. So let us move to the further discussion in my class. Now, coming to the packages concept now. Here, present in the same folder. The modules concept is used for providing code reusability across the program. Provide module name and main program must present in same folder. And modules concept modules concept, unable to provide code reusability across the unable to provide code reusability across the missions, code reusability across the and modules, yes, modules concept, unable to provide the code reusability across the machines, across the drives, across the folders. See the word, unable to provide the code reusability across the machines, across the drives, unable to provide it. I hope you are understanding. Yes, ma. Kajal, yes, ma. That's what. Yeah. This is what your doubt was. Now it is going to be clarified now. So who is going to provide the code reusability across the folders, across the machines, across the drives? Packages concept can be done. So coming to the concept of it. Now the concept of coming to this point, guys. The concept of which one? The concept of packages. The packages concept in Python provides code reusability, provides the code reusability across the machines, across the folders, across the drives. That is the advantage. Yes, ma. Anvita, it will execute. I am going to show you that. The packages concept in Python provides the code reusability across the machines. I hope that you are understanding. Are you able to follow me? What I am talking here? Is it understandable, my dear students? Yes. Yes, I'm Esma, Ravi Teja. I'm going to give you that only. I'm coming to that only. I'm giving to that only. Okay. I will come to that part. Yeah. The packages concept in Python provides code reusability across the machines, across the drives, across the folders. We are going to talk about it. Across the machines also, I am just going to clarify. Nothing to worry about it. Sir, how to create a package? So we understood the importance of packages. Because package is no programming is available, just to only some configuration is there, that's it. Now I am talking about creating a package. Sir, how to create a package? Very simple, sir. Nothing to worry about it. Creating a package, to create a package, I'm saying to create a package, we have to follow three steps. We have to follow how many steps? Three steps. To follow. We have to follow three steps. First, create a folder. Why? Because every package is called one folder. And don't think all folders are called packages. Please don't think like that. Create a folder. Okay, sir. How do you create a folder, sir? Let us take one example, sir. Create a folder. Yeah. So I will take a folder name. I am taking folder name. You will be giving anyhow folder name. Yeah, folder name you will be giving. You will give a folder name. Okay. So every folder name is not a package, ma. Every folder name is not a package. Please make one thing granted. Every package name is not a folder. Keep in mind. Okay. Now, inside of that, we are going to place it. One empty file to make folder name as a package. Listen, all of you. Every human being is not a software engineer. Every human being is not a doctor. Every human being is not a policeman. But some of the human beings are software engineers. Some of the human beings are doctors. Some of the human beings are policemen, like that. How do you recognize? Can anybody tell me? How do you recognize they are software engineers? Yeah, I'm waiting for it. Okay, based on the knowledge, based on the everything, based on the knowledge, but knowledge is there inside the brain, right or not? Based on some identity will be there or not? Identity. Come on, based on some identity. There are three people are standing in front of you. They are having identity card in their neck, a software engineer. So and so, Harsha, software engineer. Kajal, HR manager. Piyush Kumar, team leader. So they will have their identity card. Monu is a doctor. Tausif is called what? Project manager. Like that. We have something like that. Right or not? So, like that, any folder is treated as a package name. One empty file must be there inside of it. That empty file name is underscore init underscore. You should not use like a space what I am giving. I am giving underscore. If I don't give the space now, it is going to be linked like this. It is taking lot of, you will feel that it is a difficulty. Underscore. During your type, don't give space between that. Underscore dot py. It is an empty Python file. My dear student, it is an empty Python file. It is an empty Python file. That type of folder name is considered as what name? Package name. Is considered as a package name. Yes, I'm taking it as what? Is considered as a package name. A beautiful answer, it is package name. Later what I will place it here? I will write it. Module name 1, I will place it. Module name 1, I will place it. Next, module name 2, I will place it. Module name 2. Module name 2. Module name 2, this is. So on, n number of modules, I will place it. Module name n. N number of modules I am placing. There. Yes, very, very simple, my dear students. N number of modules I placed here. Module name 1, module name 2, module name n. N number of modules. This is called what? Our package name. Is it easy? Yes, Piyush Kumar. By making this ID card only, we are recognizing they are called some people. Internally, the Python environment says, if you want to treat anything as a folder package name, anything as a package name, please make the things as what? Come on, quickly tell me. Anything as a package name, you make the things as what? Come on, quickly tell me. Anything as package name, you have to make it as underscore init.py, empty Python file. It should appear inside of it. Then only it is called what? Folder package name. An empty file name, this also I will write it. This is also called folder name only. It is called folder name. It is called what? Folder. 1 minute. Folder name, which is also containing modules are there. All modules are there, no doubt in that. These are all called modules I am having. This number of modules are there, but they are not, they are available as it is here. They are available as it is. Okay. This is not considered as what? It is just a folder name only. It is just called folder name. That's it. It is just called folder name. It is not a. It is just a folder name. But not a package name. Are you able to get me? Is it understandable? Yes, please get me. Now I will go for further discussion. That's it, sir. Come on. How many place? Create a folder. What is the next, please? What is the next, please? Come on. Place an empty Python file. Place an empty Python file. Place an empty Python file on the name called underscore init underscore dot py underscore init underscore py. Okay. Next, after that is getting an eligibility to take the folder as a package name. And next, place, define and place. Next, I am writing define and place module names. Define and place. You place one module, you place multiple module names, whatever you like it, you place all of them. This is called how to create a module name. Are you able to understand? Shall we create one module name now? Can we create one module name? Yes, my dear students. Just for a minute, you give me one small time. I'll just check it in this case. 1 minute more, give me one small time. I will say system here, here, environmental variables. Just for a minute, you give me. I will take here. I'll delete it. Yeah, here also anything is there, you place try to delete it, save okay. Now you come on to the point. Okay, because I was already discussed in the last batch, that still it was there. Okay, now come on to the point. Now I'm going to say, sir, example. Dear students, come on back. In D colon, what is there? AOP demo is there. My dear students, please look at mom. D colon, E colon. Here, this E colon, G colon, D colon, G colons, people will get confused. Here it is not a programming, only some settings I am doing. And because of the settings, if you get confused, na problem. So that's why create one, go to your level in your 6 p.m. Already you know, you go to this place, and in this place of your batch, in this place 6 p.m., take one folder, because our topic name is called what? Packages. Now I'm taking what? Packages. In the packages, example number 1. In the packages, I am talking about the example number 1. Okay, now example number 1. What is my case 1? If you want case 1 or example number 1, whatever you feel. One more folder I will create it. Right? So what is that? Example. Yes. Example. Yeah, I will write whatever you like it, because you will see example 1. Inside of it, what I do, you see. Yeah, packages is there, ma. Example 1 is there. I'm going to. This is called what? Packages. Now go to that. An empty Python file I told you. What is my example here? Go to this place. Example. Here only I will give you. Example. This is called general skeleton. This left side is called what? General skeleton. And this is called what, This is called what, is a normal folder. It is not a package, but not a package name. It is called a package. General structure of the package. General structure of the package. General structure of package. General structure of the package. Fine. General structure of the package. Happy. General structure of the package. Very nice. Now I'm going to talk about example part, my dear students. Example part. What is my example here? Under the packages, clearly I'm writing in G column, under that what? Packages. Of course, that KVR, Python. Don't get confused, man. 6 p.m. Because chances are there to get the confusion. in that packages, no confusion, because it's not a programming. First of all, it is only settings. Under that examples, this is a folder. What we have. Inside of it, I am going to place. This is my complete folder name. Inside of it, I am going to place one empty file. What is that file, ma? What is, my dear students? Tell me. What is my file name? Underscore init. Empty Python file. Underscore init. Underscore .py. It is an empty Python file. Empty Python file. It is called an empty Python file. Yes. Underscore an empty Python file. Right? It's done. Happy. Leave it. So, done. Empty Python file. 1 minute. I will write it. An empty Python file. Here I will write it. Yeah. Done. Now I am going to talk about further discussion. What is my further discussion? What I am going to decide inside of it, you observe it. Yeah. Go to the place. Small example, you take it first. In our 6 p.m., I am not going to do any special programming here. See, there is one ICICI banking is there. Do you remember that formula, ma? What is that? It is called ICICI file name. File name, sir. Module name, sir. Please take it, sir. This I will save it in where? This I will save it. File save as. Where I will save it, sir? 6 p.m. Packages place. Example 1 place. You save it, sir. ICICI.py, sir. Please look at that, sir. Decall 6 p.m., sir. Packages, sir. Example 1, sir. ICICI is there. It is still not getting the eligibility of the package because only module name you place. You have to place what now? One empty Python file I need to place. Shall we place empty Python file? Yeah. How? Go to empty, others, say what? Python. Just to save it. File save. Just to save. All of you, sir, where is an empty Python file? Choose the Python environment. As I choose it, save. It is asking save. Go to 6 p.m. Packages. Don't ask me, sir, repeat again. Under that, I will paste it. Underscore init .py. Yes. Now it got an eligibility. Now you see. Under packages, examples, init.py Python file, ICICI.python file. Is it okay? Is it understandable? Yes, in our example, here I am having what? ICICI. It is called what? ICICI. .py. It is called what name? Module name. Yes, it is called a module name. Yes, it is called a module name. Yes, sir, done. It is enough. 1 is enough. No more Piyush. For this example folder, now this package. What is the package here? Here, which one is called package? Examples. Example is called what? Package name. Why it is called package name? Because it contains what? Because it is containing what? I will write a box so that you can understand. Is called package name. Because it contains an empty Python file called underscore init.py. Clear? Shall I move forward? Shall I go to forward, ma? Yes. Simple, sir. Very difficult, sir. Of course, I am not boasting about it. Take any one of the student. How do you create a package? You ask them, they don't know anything about it. Just please check it out. For the sake of sorry saying something, please ask it somebody who completed Python. Ask this question. Okay? Right. Shall I go to the next one? Okay. Python is created, sir. Now what I will do, sir? Now I need to reuse the package across the drives or not. The packages concept is in Python provides code reusability across the machine's drives and folders everywhere, sir. Now, I am going to tell you reusing number of approaches. Yes, see, my dear student, number of approaches to reuse. Number of approaches to what? Reuse. The number of approaches to reuse what? The number of approaches to reuse the. Come on. Number of approaches to reuse the packages. Packages means what? Module. Modules means what? Function. Ultimately, which function I want to call? Simple int function I want to call. Which module I have to access it? Simple int is the function present into ICICI module. ICICI module present in where? Package. Package. In the first diagram is that only. What is my function here, ma? What is my function name here? What is my function name here? Very simple. Simple int. Simple int is my function name. And what is my module name here, sir? What is my module name here, sir? My module name is called what? ICICI module. My package is called what, sir? Examples, sir. Examples, sir. How simple, sir, this is? Examples is containing the ICICI, sir. ICICI module contains what, sir? Simple int functions, sir. Right, sir. Come on to the point back. Come on to the point back. Yeah. Coming to this level. Yeah. Example 1. It's not example, ma. Example 1. Okay. Because I will do second example like that. That's why I'm taking example 1. Did you understand? Examples, no? Example 1. Okay. Example 1. Example 1. Shall I go to the number of approaches to reuse? Yes, sir. Number of approaches to reuse the package details. Yes. We have two approaches to reuse. Number 1. To reuse the modules. To reuse. See. To reuse. What is the definition of package, my dear students? I forget to ask this question. What is the definition of package? Don't think too much. Think intelligently. Yeah, who will say first? I just want to see. What is the definition of package? Collection of modules. Nitin, very good, man. Nitin, very good. Now everybody is saying. Sachin, good. Dijon, good. Everybody, Karishma, good. A package, Suresh, good. A package is a collection of what? Modules. A package is a collection of what? Modules. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. Here only I will write it. Definition of package. Here only I will write it. Definition of package. Of course, you already understood, but after understanding this part only, I want to mention it. Yeah. You see, my dear students, I'll write down. A package is a collection of what? Modules. What is a module? A module is a collection of variables, functions, classes. Classes we are going to discuss in the class. Nothing to worry. Package is a collection of what? Modules. One module may be there, more number of modules will be there. A module collection of functions, variables, classes, etc. You already aware of it. Okay, sir. Number of approaches to reuse the package, sir. To reuse, I am writing, to reuse the modules, of any package, we have two approaches. They are. What is the first one? I'm talking about the first one. What is the first one? By using sys module. By using which module? Sys module. Number 1. I will tell you. What is that sys module? I will tell you. Next, by using Python path. Two things are there. By using sys module is number 1. By using Python path. Sir, what is the first one, sir? Please tell me, sir. First one I will talk about by using sys module. Yeah, come on to the point of it. Listen, sys is A predefined module. Sys is a predefined module. Okay. Sys module contains an attribute. Sys module contains an attribute. How it is available, you know? Attribute in the sense it is like this. Take this sense like this. Two analogies I am giving, my dear students. Try to understand. Two analogies I am giving. Try to understand. Here, this is a program called x.py. X.py. Okay, which is called a module name. X is called a module name. For example, it is a module name. In that, what I am having, you know, L is equal to list of. L is equal to list of. Okay. What is list? What is L? List is a class. List is a class. In that list, there is a function called append function. Append function is there. Append function is there. Yeah. Now I want to access. This is a sys module. Sys is a module. Sys is a module. Like X is a module. Now I want to access L. Module is a collection of variables. Here L is called what? Variable. How do I access L, ma? All of you? How do you access L? Yes, very good. Yes, ma. Farooq, very good. Only Farooq is saying that. X dot L. My dear students, X dot L. How do you access variables of a module, ma? A module is a collection of variables. A module is a collection of variables. Did you forget that? Are you there? Are you there in the class? Are you there in the class? Yes, you forget already. Look at that. Forget about that. 6 p.m. Math modules you go. Math info. There is a thing. Beginning days. I explained this. You forget that. See, math info is a module name. How you are accessing this PI? Math.mathinfo.pi, mathinfo.e. Yes or no? Yes or no? We used or not? Yeah. Like that today's class. What is X? What is X? What is X? Okay, if you feel difficulty about that X, I will take KVR is a module. I will take KVR is a module. I will take it as KVR is a module name. I will take. So I am taking there KVR is a module. I am taking there KVR. KVR is a module name. Just tell me how to access L. L is a variable inside of that. KVR.L. Okay. KVR.L. Now you want to call append also. Append. How we used to call append actually? L.append. Now L is what? Variable inside of KVR. Now tell me how do I access complete L.append? Yeah, forget it. KVR.L.append. Am I clear? Java or Python. Is it understandable? A module name dot like that. Fine. Similarly, in sys module, there is a variable called path. In path, there is an attribute called append function. There is a function called append function, which is taking some path. What is that? I will take care of it. Come on, how do you call this path? Path is called one variable inside of it. It is an object present in this sys. It is a variable. And append is a function inside of the path. How do you call it? Yes, please. Sys dot path dot, what is it? Append of, you need to pass the absolute path of your module. Absolute path of package you need to pass. Absolute path of the package you need to pass. Sys dot path dot append. Absolute path of the package. Here, by using sys predefined thing, I will use a syntax. What is it? Sys dot path dot append. sys dot path dot append. So sys dot path dot append. Very, very simple. Sys dot path dot append. Sys dot path dot append. So you already understand, I think so. Sys dot path dot append. Inside of that append, what we are going to pass it? We are going to pass it as what? Absolute path of absolute path of package. Absolute path of the package. Yes, simple, one line only we are using it. This is nothing but specifying the address of your package where it is present. Sys dot path dot append, we are going to use it. Come on, quickly come on to the point back. Yes, come on. 6 p.m. packages, example, and then ICICI. This I want to use it. Where I want to write it, sir? Write one program. What is my program name? I am writing. Let us close this part. Let us close this empty file. Let us write one program. Let us write one program. What is it? Others. Say. What is it? First of all, what is this now? Bank.py. Bank.py. What is that now? Simple int. Save it. Where I am saving it? Go to where? D colon, C colon you go. Wherever you go for it. KVR HYD. KVR HYD is my folder which is present in C colon. Say it is. What are you saving? Bank.py. Bank.py. Okay. Execute it. Go to the D colon. Yes, go to C colon. Out of that, CD. KVR HYD is my folder name. Inside of it, what is there? dir. KVR HYD is the folder name. Okay, many .java files are there. Let 1 minute ma. del star.java, del star.class. Let me remove all of them. Yes, dir, you see, only one file is there. Okay, 1 minute, del, some other Java content is there with me. Let me remove that also. Now see dir, bank.py is there. Anvita, our concept is today what? Different drive I want to save it. Packages concept is what? If you go beyond that concept, again problem. Packages concept is to provide what? When I explain the modules in the same drive, you have done it. So thing is called what? In real time, it is not only in the same folder, across the folders. So please follow me. Across the folders, I want to go for it. That's why I saved in where? C colon, I saved it. What is my bank.py? Yes, py, bank.py. Error. What is that error? Name, simple int, not defined, sir. Where it is found, ma? Yes, my dear student, where it is found? It is found in where? Z colon it is found in. It is found in D colon. How do you do that? Yes, how do you do that? Come on. I will say. Generally, what we do? Import. What are you doing? ICICI. Yes or no? ICICI. No. 1 minute. First of all, are you doing like this or not? Normally. Execute. You will get see. No problem. Very cool. What is an error, please? Module not found error. Am I correct? Yes, sir. But if you place same program, please go to that save as, in where I will place it, ma? I will place it into G colon. See, observe the difference. This is more than enough for you. 6 p.m. Go to packages. In example 1, you save it. In the same place you place it. Okay, in the same place you place it. Go to G colon. Yes, sir. You see, out of that CD packages. Yes, sir. CD packages. What happens? CD packages. Yes, CD, example one. Now you say py. What is this? Bank dot py. It is happily, what is that? Simple int. Okay, simple int should be called with respect to what? ICICI dot module name. ICICI dot module name. Yeah, now you execute 1,000 rupees and 2 and 3. I got the output. In which place? Same module. Module is present in the same place. Main program also present in the same place. If you go to different place, C colon, you execute this program, you got module not found error. Yes, not module not found error. It is called error. You please go to Python environment. You go to Python environment. Yes, go to Python environment. You say here, import ICICI. Yes, ICICI. You see, module not found error. It is different environments. In Python environment also I am running. No student knows about this awareness. Not working. Sir, how to work in different environments, different folders, different machines? It is working in same folder. It is not only the case we have to work in. So what is the first mechanism? First mechanism, go forward. Sys dot path dot append dot. Now I am going to resolve this issue. My dear student, let us coming to the point back. Yes, go to the place of it. Where is it? Is C colon. Where is it? C colon KVR HYD. Under that I have the program now. There you say. Yes, remove this and try to write it. Here I am writing. Yes, import first what? Sys. Import sys module. Yes, sir. Importing sys, sir. Absolute path of the package. Sys dot path dot append. What is this absolute path, sir? Absolute path of the package, sir. Very simple, sir. Where is that? Where is my package is present in G colon 6 p.m. and then packages under that example, under the package name. This entire thing you take it. This entire address you take it. Control C. All those things you need to practice it. Then only you can understand. Without practicing, we never get it. I will paste it here. See, G colon KVR Python 6 p.m. under that packages, under that example one, it is a folder name. But one small precaution to be taken, you have to write this is a single slash. You have to write just like what a double slash. You need to write just like a double slash. That precaution you remember. After that, now you import. Import what? ICICI. Then you call ICICI module name. It is an import statement. How do you call the function name? ICICI dot simple int. Are you understanding this statement? No programming is required. Save it. Now go. Where? C colon, sir. See, earlier I got module error. Now you execute. Happy. See, enter. Enter bank PY. Enter the principal amount 2,000, sir. 2 and 3, sir. See, sir, how easy it is. 120, 20, 20, 21, 20. Are you understanding, dear students? Yes, students, all of you? Yes, sir. Oh, beautiful, sir. What is the statement I am using, sir? What is the statement here? Sys dot append dot path. Sys dot path dot append. You don't write it. Here. Save it, sir. Execute once again. You see error. What is that error? Module not found error. ICICI not found. Remove, sir. Remove, sir. Now you see. Now you got it. 3,000, sir. 3,000, sir. 2 and 3, sir. I got like this. Is it understandable? 6 dot path dot append. More than enough. Understood? Very good. Can I tell you the second approach? Yes, Smart Dijon. Wait, I'm going to come to that. Dijon, wait. Yeah. Shall I go to the second approach? This is the first approach. What is the mechanism here? Scissor dart. Sir, what is an example? We are using? Example we used as what? Like this. So this is the one which I am using. This is the one which I am using here. Simple, sir. So let us go to the second approach. Yes, Manvita, let me go to the second approach. After that, I'll go for it. Second approach, by using what path? Python path. Yeah, Python path. By using Python path. Yeah, can I use the same thing in this kind of thing? Can I use it in Python command prompt here? You see, import ICICI. Error is coming. Can I use it here also? Yes, please look at import. Directly if I write it, scissor dot, append dot. What is this? Scissor dot, path dot. Path dot. What is this? Append off. That entire thing. What is it? What is that address? I need to pass it. What is that address? I will take it. This entire address. I will take up. Here you see. I will just paste it. Yes, here I'm just saying. Yes, see, scissor dot is an error. Scissor dot, error. Okay, two things are there might be. Okay, just remove. Error will come. That is, sys is not defined, it is saying. What is it? Yeah, removed already, sys. Import what? Sys you say. Import sys. Now you say, happy. Now call import sys now. See, my dear student, happy sir. ICICI. Dot what sir? Simple int. What a beautiful example it is. Right? Enter. Simple int. Spelling mistake, huh? Simple int. Spelling mistake. Spelling, simple. LE missing. Okay. Did you notice? Yes. Simple enter. 1500 sir. Enter the time sir. 2 sir. 3 sir. See that beautiful output at which one? Command prompt level. What a beautiful example. Where I am explaining my module is distributed everywhere else. See, I am executing my module everywhere else. Is it understandable? Good. Where I executed my Python program? Packages concept provides code reusability across the machines, across the drives and folders and environments. Now, your doubt is, sir, I want to use your system kind of thing in my system, sir. Okay, why not? I will upload this folder into the Google Drive class. You will download that folder into your machine. You will keep this folder into your place or not? In C:, D:, you will place or not? Yes or no? I will upload my folder. You will download the folder. Your downloading folder is there in your D:, C:, somewhere else you will keep and write a Python main program and say sys.path.append. Tell the absolute path of my downloaded folder. You will execute or not? Ravi Teja, you asked this word. Are you getting ma? Yes, sir. Okay, very good. Did you understand? Ravi Teja? Yes, sir. Good. Fine. Perfect. That is what our Python library is coming and we are setting the path. Now, what path we are setting? Now I am going to the second approach. Now I am going to use what? Python path. See, for example, go to this now. I will call once again. See, sir, I will call once again. Simple int. Once again, 4,000, sir. 4,000, sir. 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. I got the result. 4,240. Now I will come out of it. Exit, sir. It is coming out, sir. Again, I will go to my Python command prompt, sir. I'll go to my Python command prompt, sir. So it is going to the command prompt, sir. I will say what's here, sir. Import ICICI. ICICI. It is giving an error, sir. It is giving an error. So again I need to do what? Again I need to do what? Again I need to set the same thing. Again I need to do the same thing. I need to do import what? Sys. Again I need to do import sys. Every time I have to do this now. Every time I have to do this now. See, I am doing this. See, then I will say what? Import ICICI. Happy sir. Import ICICI. Then ICICI dot simple int. Simple int. Simple int. Yes, simple int. Yes, sir. 1000, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. I got the output, sir. It is not only that way, sir. You can say from ICICI. You say from ICICI. Import what, sir? Import what, sir? Simple int. Simple int. As a KVR. As a KVR. What is KVR? What is KVR? Alias name, call it as a KVR of. KVR of. Super. Super. Enter, sir. 2000, sir. 2000. 2 and 3, sir. I got the output. What a beautiful import statement. But this import statement will work as long as this is active mode. Once if I close this prompt, it is coming out of it. Again, if I go to that, it will not work out. Shall I go to the permanent path? Shall I go to the permanent path? Yes, sir. By using what? Python path. Simple, sir. This is also very, very simple, sir. I'm going to the Python path. Very easy. Python path is one of the environmental variable. Python path, here I am writing. Python path. So these are all not programming, only settings. Is one of the environmental variable. Environmental variable means, I will tell you the clarity. Environmental variable means it is a keyword for operating system. In our language, keywords means reserved words. We call it the keywords. There are some reserved words for operating system. Operating system reserved words are called environmental variables. It is one of the environmental variable of OS. We must set Python path. Set Python path as Python path is equal to this entire thing. This entire thing you set it in where? In our system. I will show you how to do it. But you need not write this code, this slash, etc. Single slash is enough. Single slash is enough. So where to set it? I don't want to write it in the notebook, but you see my settings. Shall I show you how to set this Python path? Shall I show you how to set the Python path? Yes, sir. Come on to the point once again. Here chyd, see 1 minute you see, chyd, bank.py, c:, I will remove, I'm removing, go, you see, yes, error, what is that error? Module not found. Okay, close it. Which one is closed? This c:, is closed. You are in g:, anyhow, no problem, that is not the point. Python path is not there and c:, is not there. Now I am going to my place. Yes, please look at. Where is my document? Yeah. Set the Python path. Sir, how to set this kind of description? Very, very simple, sir. Please make it copy, sir. Here, very, very simple, sir. Go to start button. Settings will be there. Settings. Are you observing? Settings. Are you understanding everybody? Settings. Are you watching this? Yeah. Under that system is there. System option called system. Once again back. System. Click on the system. Under that find environmental variables. Environmental variables you type it. Environmental variables. Environmental variable. Here you type it. It is showing to you. Environmental variables for your account. Yes, it is opening. Here two things are there. Environmental variables, user variables for system variables. in any one of the place, either this place or any one of the place, this place or whatever, but I will go for this environmental variables of this one. Say new, say new. What is the variable name? I'm going to set it Python path, Python path. And say what here? You place that address. See that G colon KVR Python 6 p.m. packages example 1. Python path. Under that G colon KVR Python etc. Say OK. Say OK. Okay. See Python path. Once I said G colon KVR Python packages example 1. Say OK. Okay. So done. Close. Come on. Go. Now I will go for what? Go to where? C colon. C colon. Now this is a program. Go to the C colon. Command prompt. Yes. C colon. Out of that C colon. What is it? KVR HYD. KVR HYD. There is a program I will open. In this close C colon KVR HYD is a place where you have bank dot. Here what is not there? What is not there? What is not there, my dear students? Which one is not there? Which one is not there? Sys dot, path dot, etc. is not there. If you want, I will change the statement. Import ICICI, import simple INT, simple INT, yas SI, yas SI. Okay, SI. Very nice. Sys dot append is not there, just only importing because I set a permanent path, Python path I set. Okay, save it, sir. Execute, sir. Now you went there. Yes, you are ready. Execute. C colon. So dir, you see once again verify by yourself. Yes, please go to that. Py bank dot py. See, my dear student, beautiful, beautiful. 10,000 you say, 10,000, 2 and 3 you say. Result is called 10,600. Are you getting my point? Yes. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Fine. Let us go to which way? Which way I will go for it? Sir, G colon you go, sir. G colon once, sir. G colon. In G colon also you go, sir. G colon no, sir. D colon, sir. D colon. In D colon, what is there? Whether it is there or not, you check it out, sir. In C colon, there is a program. In D colon, KVR PY is there now, sir. It is there, something else is there, sir. You remove, you take this program, sir. KVR HYD, you take this file, sir. Please copy this, sir. Put it into D colon, sir. KVR pi, save it, sir. Yes, sir. Go to the location, sir. D colon. Already you are there, sir. D colon. Yeah, D colon where? Yeah, D colon. CD KVR pi. Yeah, there you say dir. What is the program you have? Bank.py is there. You please execute bank.py. P1. Yes, beautiful. 2,500 and say 10 and 2, sir. Output you see, sir. Are you understanding? See, I am executing in where? I am executing in D colon, C colon across the drives. Shall I go to the Python environment also? Shall I go to the Python environment also? Yes. All of you. Shall I go to the Python environment? Yes, sir. Go. A colon py. Yes, sir. Python 3.10, wherever you like it. Yes, look at. Yes. Come on. Directly import. Earlier I used to do what? Import sys dot, path dot, append, etc. Today directly what? From ICICI. My module also acting like what? Predefined modules. From ICICI, import what? Import what? Simple INT. Simple INT. Yes. SI. Yes. KV. As KV. Super. KV off. KV off. Enter the amount, sir. 500, sir. 2 and 3, sir. I got the result, sir. 530, sir. See, from where? I am directly executing this place, sir. From ideally you execute, sir. From ideally you execute, sir. From ideally, see, sir, from ideally place you can execute, sir. Ideally, this is called Python command prompt, sir. Ideally also you execute, sir. From what, sir? ICICI as IC. Okay, sorry. Import, yeah. ICICI as IC. Yes. IC dot simple INT, sir. See, sir. Enter the amount, sir. 6,000, sir. And 2 and then 12, sir. See the output, sir. What a beautiful output. Are you able to understand? Very good. See, in different places. So if I give in tomorrow, if I become a software engineer, if you want to give your library to somebody else, you can distribute. You can distribute either through Python path. If I set this path in my server, whoever is accessing the server, they can access my result. See, in command prompt I am using, in Python, ideally I am using, in C colon I am using, in D colon I am using, everywhere else I am using. This is the beauty of what? This is the beauty of which concept? This is the beauty of which concept? Packages. Packages is easy or difficult? Packages are easy or difficult? Abhijit 2. Abhijit, you are going to change what? Example 2. When you change the example 2, will you get that accessibility, ma? Abhijit Das, example 2 is nothing but wrong setting or not? Abhijit, when you pass the wrong folder name, absolute path you must pass it. If you pass wrong thing, it is going to be working on, will not work on, will not work. So don't get the type of doubts, please. Okay, right. Is it understandable? Yes, some student also, sir, repeat Python path once, sir. What should I do? Repeat Python path, sir. No, ma, Saifuddin, not a difficult, mom. Not a difficult. Why difficult? Am I doing any programming? Saifuddin, am I doing any programming? Nothing. I'm just doing settings. I'm doing settings, ma. Nothing is there. I'm doing just settings. It is not a subject of Python. Yes. Is it okay? Fine. So let us take one more example. Shall I take one more example? Shall I take one more example? Yes, sir. Yes. Let us go to the place. Let us go to the place. All the places. Come out of that. Come out of ideally. Come out of that. Come out of these places. All the places. I'm just taking out quickly. Go to the place of settings, system. I will take it as environmental variables. I will remove everything. The environmental variables account as Python path. Delete. Delete. Delete it. Say okay. Out of that. Yes, everything come out. Everything come out, come out, come out. Everything come out, come out, come out. Everything close. Yes. Now this I will save it. What is this? Packages. Packages concept. Quickly I will show you the concept. Yeah. 6 p.m. Packages. I will this I will save it. Notes. This is called a notes purpose. I will save it. Yes. Inside of it, packages. Packages, not at all a difficult. Packages in where? Python. Yeah. Let us start. Go to the place where in G colon packages carefully. Again, sir, repeat means no. Packages. Example 2. Example 2. Create a folder. Folder. What is it? Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Yeah. Example 2. In the example 2, what should I do? Empty Python file. Empty Python file. Okay. Go. Empty Python file. Take new. Empty Python file. Python. Save it. Yes, save it. Go to your place G colon. KVR Python, yes, 6 p.m. Under that packages, under that example to save it. Happy, underscore, 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 small thing, underscore, underscore, init dot py. Yes, it is saved it. It is saved it. As, okay. Now check it out. Example 2, this thing is there. Today, I want to take it. Arithmetic operations. Last class we did one example or not? Shall I take that? I will take it. Okay. Case 1, I will take AOP and menu. I will take AOP and menu. I will take both of them, sir. Copy this to sir. Copy this to sir. And where it is available, sir? 6 p.m., sir. Packages, sir. Under that example 2, sir. Paste it, sir. How many modules these are? AOP is one module. Menu is another module. Excellent, sir. Where is my main program, sir? Where is my main program? It is there in the yesterday's class. This is the program. Main program, this is AOP. It is called main program. It is called a main program. This main program, I will just place it into somewhere else. Yeah, this I will take it. Where I am placing? Copy. Where I will place it? Copy. Into where? C colon. C colon. Yeah, KVR HYD, you paste it. KVR HYD, paste it. In D colon, KVR pi also you paste it. No problem. Okay. Now, how can I run on all these places? Go. Where? Go. Where? C colon. C colon. Yeah. C colon. CD. KVR HYD is my folder. KVR HYD is my folder. How do you execute? Py AOP demo dot py error. What is that error? Module not found error. Are you able to understand? Module not found error. Is it okay? Good. Still, if you want more and more, if you want more and more, still more clever program if you want. AOP program is there, more clever program if you want. AOP program itself, you keep it into that place. See, this also I will remove, I will remove this. I don't want to take it. See, what I am doing is, I will go to these modules. Of course, don't get confused here. Rohit M. Dear my student, you are asking so dangerous doubt for me, so inconvenient for me. You are asking this doubt. You are asking this doubt. Sir, all of you observe, right? Underscore, underscore, is it compulsory or not? You are asking. My dear student, it is so inconvenient for me. It is mandatory. I told so many hours onwards. So this is, you see, compulsory, I told. It is called a folder name, but not a package name. I told already, my dear student Rohit. Yeah. Come on to the point. Yes, here. As I told you, the point back to the part. Modules, you come to this point. What is it? In this place, you take it. Modules place you come. Modules place where it is. Last class 4. Sorry. Where is this? 6 p.m. Modules place. You see, I will take case 1. This AOP demo is there, na? I will open it. I will open it. Or I will take that also module name only. That also module name. Copy and put it into our place. Packages only. I will take it. Example 2, I will paste it. We open it. You please open it. And please open that. That itself will be called as one function. I will keep this entire thing under one function. DEF. What is that? DEF operations. Operations is my function name. This entire thing I am writing under that only. Operation. Simply I will kept into one function name. This itself is called what? Module name. It is a file name. File name only, but it is called what? Module name. And module name. What is my module name? AOP demo is called module name. Okay, save it. Okay, how I will call this now? operations. What is my module name? AOP demo. Now I will write one main program. You see the main program. Of course, I hope you are not getting the confusion. Import AOP demo, AOP demo dot operations. This is called my final program. What is this? Project 1.py. It is my program name. Project. It is my project. In this module name and then call it. Now you save it. This is my main program. Where I am saving it? C:, come on, HYD. You save this. So at this point of time, C:, in this KVR HYD, this is not necessary. AOP demo, you take it. Yeah. So operations. Now come on to this place. Now you see PY. I say PY, project 1.py. Error. What is the module name? AOP demo not found. What do you do? Execute. Then what do you do? This is the same program you save it into where? Same program you save is save as into where? Go to D:. Where is a D:? Yes, so KVR PY. Save this place. Project PY. Yes, so coming to this D:. In this PY, this place, this you remove it. Project 1 was there. Come on to the point. Command prompt. Yes, sir. D:. KVR PY. Execute. PY. Yes, sir. Error. Module not found. With a single stroke, we can eliminate all these things. How many approaches are there? Sys.append.path is number 1. One more is called Python path. Can I show you directly Python path? I'll go to my Python place. I will go to this place. Shall I go to the next? Okay, both you want to see? Okay, no problem. Both you want to see? No problem. Import what? Sys.path append. What is it? Address you take it. Address. Where is it? Very simple. Z:, 6 p.m. And where is it? Packages are example 2, sir. Happy, sir. You take it, sir. Happy, sir. Take it, sir. No problem. You just paste it and then say, and be careful. Take this slash. Yes. Fine. Save it. Execute. Where I saved it, it is present into D:. See, my dear students, D:, only it is present. See the file name on the top of this D:, it is available. It is available in the D:, place. Okay. Right. Come on. D:, place you run it. Happy. 1. Yes, sir. 12 and 3, 34. I got the result. Enter your choice, sir. 5. Enter your choice, 3. 2 and 3, sir. I got the result. Is it understandable? C:, you execute. It cannot run. Why? Why it cannot run? Because we did not say sys.path.append. I did not. Sys.path. did not do. Are you okay? If I want to do it, go to C:, HYD, Python HYD. Open this. There also you need to say. How do you do? Import sys. Come on. Sys dot. What is this? Path dot append. 1 minute. Dot what? Append off. See. You see. Which slashes I have to use? Suppose if I did not use these slashes, you see, 1 minute, all of you. See, in this place, C:, see, error, see, running. C:, it is, see, it is using. C:, I am using. In D:, also we got executed. Yeah, it is also working, no problem. My dear students. Earlier it got, I hope where we run it, where it is running. Yeah, it is earlier giving what error? Module error. Double slash need not give, directly it is working, no problem, no problem. You enjoy that. Yes, 6 you enter, 2 and then 4 you see, 16 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 4, enter. Are you understanding? 7th you say exit. There also you say 7, there also you say 7, and D colon, it is coming to D colon, it is coming to C colon. Are you able to understand? Yes. In Python command prompt you want to use, also same. Can I do in overall picture in all the ways? You see, don't write it, sir. Don't write it, sir. And then go to, don't write this sys module also. In this place, you don't write it. In D place also, don't write it. Import, don't do it. Import, don't do it, sir. You execute once again in both the places. You got an error. You execute in D colon also. You got an error. Excellent. Go to where? Python path now. Go. Settings. Settings. System. Environmental variables. Environmental variables. Environmental variables. What a beautiful things. Yes, so say environmental variables. Environmental variables. Okay, account. Yes, here. Yes, you say user environmental. New. Say what? Python path. Python path. Yes, so there you say paste it. Suppose if you have another example, say semicolon. Another path you want to set, say another one. Are you understanding? Suppose you have 2 packages, 3 packages, 4 packages. You can write a comma, you can paste one more. You can paste one more. Are you understanding? Yes. Now it is only one. I will say okay. Yes, sir, it is okay. Example 2. Say okay, sir. Done, sir. Closed it, sir. Yes. Now you just close this prompt and come. Close this prompt and come. Directly don't write it. Close this prompt and come. Because system settings, when you set the path, again close it and then come. Like a resetting, please resetting. Don't run immediately. Again you come. Yeah. CD, KVR HYD. Now you see, my dear student, KVR HYD, C colon, this is, you see, file name you see on the top of it, on the top of taskbar, it is a C colon, C colon. No, nothing is there. No sys dot point, this thing, nothing. Execute. Yeah. C dot. PY. Yeah. Project dot 1. Yes, 1 minute. PY. Project 1 dot py. Yes, see that 2 and say 50, 67 and 7, I got 60. Beautiful. Are you understanding? Is it easy? D colon, sir. D colon, go, sir. D colon, go, sir. D colon, sir. KVR py. Yes. Say CLS, sir. Py, sir. Project dot py, sir. Yes, what is happening? 1, project 1 dot py. Yes, sir. Now say 3, sir. Multiplication, sir. 12 and 3, sir. Got the output, sir. Go to your Python place, sir. Go to your Python place. Yes, Python place. Say Python place, sir. 3.10, sir. Yes, sir. Python place. Come on. Import. Which one? See in our place. What are you importing? AOP demo. Operations. Use it. Ultimately. AOP demo. I will say from AOP import operations. Operations. Yes, OP. Just a shortcut. What happens? Operations. Operation or operations? Operations or operation? AOP. AOP demo. What is happening? Okay, fine. From AOP demo. Yes, ma, sorry. From AOP demo. Yeah, by mistake. From AOP demo. AOP demo. Import operations. Operations. Yes, OP. Yeah, beautiful. OP. Yes. See, in Python command prompt also I am running my menu driven application. What a great. 4, sir. 4. Enter 10, sir. Enter 3, sir. See, I got it. And from Python command prompt I am saying. What a beautiful example. Are you understanding? Wherever you want, you can execute. So packages are useful or not? Packages are useful or not? Modules are useful or not? Functions are useful or not? I can use this in my Django framework. I want to use this Python code in my Django framework. Yes, I can import it. I can import it. With what is the beauty in Django, packages, modules, everything is Python only. Everything is Python only. Dear students, am I clear about that? Yes. Very good. Very nice. So I hope I'm clear about my concepts. I'm clear about my concepts, right? These packages are easy or difficult? These packages are easy or difficult? Yes, sir. Simple, sir. Easy, sir. Very good, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you for your compliments. Yes. Good. So will you practice after going to home immediately? After the session is over, will you practice? Yeah, please practice it. Please practice it. Practice makes you perfect. Yeah. Tomorrow's class, because Saturday, I'm introducing one module called a random module. I will introduce. What is the module name? Random. Because it will take only on Saturday. Only on Saturday. Just 1.5 hours it will take up. A short note, short topic I will explain tomorrow. Random. Monday class I will explain. Exception handling I will introduce. The most beautiful, my favorite topic. From now onwards, all favorite topics will come. Beautiful concepts will come. Don't miss the single class of mine. So I'll stop the class and tomorrow we will enter into the random. Yeah, Shubham, Django is the best. Django is the best. Okay? Django is the best. Okay? Thank you. Good day. All the best. Nice. All the best. Good night.